In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the title of your website on Squarespace, a process that's quick, simple, and effective for giving your site a fresh new look. Whether you're rebranding or simply updating your information, changing the site title is a fundamental step that can make a considerable difference in your site's appearance. To get started, first log into your Squarespace account. Once you're in, navigate to your website. You'll notice a sidebar on the left-hand side of the screen. This is your central hub for making changes and exploring the various features of your site. In the sidebar, you'll want to look for the option labeled Design. Clicking on this will direct you to another menu where you'll be presented with various tools to customize the layout and appearance of your website. If you're using Squarespace 7.1, the next step is to select Site Styles. This option allows you to delve into the aesthetic elements of your website. However, if you're working with Squarespace 7.0, you'll want to click on Logo and Title. This distinction is crucial because these options control different aspects of your site based on the version you're using, so knowing which version you're working with can save you a lot of time and hassle. Once you've selected the appropriate option for your Squarespace version, it's time to focus on the site title field. This is where you'll type your new site title. Let's say your new site title is My Business Name. As you type in this field, you'll notice that your changes appear live in the preview area. This real-time update feature is incredibly helpful because it allows you to immediately see how the new title will look against your site design, and you can make quick adjustments if necessary. After you've entered your new title and are satisfied with its appearance, it's important to click Save, which you'll find at the top left of the screen. This is a crucial step because if you forget to save your changes, you may lose the work you just did and have to repeat the process. Clicking Save ensures that your new title is locked in and will be displayed the next time someone visits your site. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully changed your website's title in Squarespace, enhancing its appeal to your audience and ensuring that it reflects your brand accurately. This process is not only straightforward, but also an essential part of maintaining a dynamic and up-to-date web presence. Make sure to revisit these steps whenever you need to make similar changes in the future, and you'll find managing your Squarespace site becomes second nature.